Ladies and gentlemen, how have you guys been doing? In today's video, I've got a special guest, a special friend, and also the creator of my self-publishing blueprint, the one and only Mr. Emeka Ossai. In case if you have tuned in for the first time to my channel and I'm wondering who on earth am I'm Cassie, also known as Kasim Mohammed, and in this channel, which is Passive Passion Online and we discuss business and investing topics mostly. Okay, so to begin with, I am going to be clearing some of your misconceptions, your doubts, with the big man himself, Emeka Ossai. So, Mr. Emeka, welcome to my channel, Passive Passion Online Income.
Thank you for having me. It's exciting.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to be asking you a few questions, mostly for the newbies.
Okay.
I mean, the ones in Dubai.
Yep.
Because I live in Dubai, as you know, and there are a lot of setbacks that these people are encountering. So they would like to hear it right from you.
Okay.
So the first question is for a beginner. Why should a beginner who wants to get started with online business get started with Kindle publishing business?
I think beginners should start with Kindle publishing for a few reasons. One, really low barrier of entry, meaning the cost to get in is just a couple $100 to get your first book published, get it up on Amazon. You can start making money within your first 24 to 48 hours. That's massive. The second reason is it's just extremely easy for anybody who's not tech savvy, no marketing or sales skills. Amazon does it all for you. So it's such an easy, almost a cookie cutter system for beginners to use. So those are always the two top reasons I say it's like, if they're, hey, I don't have a lot of money or don't know a lot about the whole online thing, well, Kindle publishing is for you because of that.
Super. Okay, so guys, you heard about it, and I'm sure you've been watching my videos where I keep telling you guys the reason why you should get started with Kindle publishing and then diversify into other businesses. Okay, now, Mr. Emeka, moving on to our second question. What are the niches? I'm sure you've spoken about this, okay, in some of your old videos. However, since the whole game is getting revolutionized, there's a lot of competition happening on ACX and stuff. So what would be the, let's say, top two niches that you would advise people to get into or to begin with?
So I used to say, don't get into self-help, don't get into health and fitness, don't get into cookbooks. I'm still strong on cookbooks. Horrible for beginners. You're just gonna lose money. But self-help or health and fitness, like dieting, whatever the case is, if you want to get into those, you have to niche down. So you have to target specific customers, a specific audience that you're going into. You can't have like a general self-help book on habits, because that's not going to do, it's just too general. You're going to be competing with 30, 40,000 other books. Right. You're not going to win. You have to find a smaller market where you have like 5 or 10,000 other books. Compete there. That's how you win in those large markets.
Perfect. Thank you. So you guys heard it. Look or aim for books or aim for niches where there is high demand but low competition, and that's where you'll be able to make your money. Now, moving on to my last question, Mr. Emeka, where do you see Kindle publishing business going in the next 5 years?
Oh, lots of changes. But I think changes for the better, right? Because as Amazon develops and technology changes, but Kindle publishing is only getting better and better, especially with the growth of audiobooks, and it's always going to keep moving forward. So yeah, man, it's just going up.
So there's definitely no one should be taking, steps backwards and thinking that no, I shouldn't be getting started.
No. This is
definitely one of the most
legit
legit and one of the most fantastic business opportunities for people who are watching and who are thinking about getting started. So that's it from me for now, guys. And if you're wondering, if you're a newbie who's thinking what the hell Kindle publishing is, click on the link below, get started, and become an online entrepreneur. That's it from me for now. See you guys soon. Take care. God bless. Goodbye.